Meet the pinnacle of luxury and performance, the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser Executive Edition. Designed for those who demand elegance and capability, this SUV is redefining premium travel. At first glance, the bold design stands out. The massive chrome grille, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights, creates a commanding presence on the road. Finished in a rich metallic bronze, this vehicle is as refined as it is rugged. Equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels and a reinforced chassis, this Land Cruiser ensures a smooth ride, whether on highways or rough terrain. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by a full-time four-wheel drive system, with multi-terrain select and crawl control. Step inside, and you're greeted by unmatched luxury. The interior features diamond-stitched leather seats, a fully customizable ambient lighting system, and a 14-speaker JBL premium sound system for an immersive experience. With seating for up to 7 passengers, everyone rides in first-class comfort. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display, powered by the latest Toyota Smart Connect. It offers Apple CarPlay, Allrost, Android Auto, and a Mi-T-on 360-degree camera view for added convenience. Plus, with integrated voice commands, you can control most functions hands-free. The rear compartment is equally impressive, featuring hiace, power-adjustable reclining seats, and a built-in cooler. Long journeys become a breeze with Toyota's advanced climate control system, which maintains optimal temperature zones throughout the cabin. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser Executive Edition features Toyota's 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo hybrid engine, delivering 409 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. This powertrain ensures impressive performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the great outdoors, the Toyota Land Cruiser Executive Edition delivers unmatched luxury, performance, and reliability. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Subscribe for more updates and let us know your thoughts in the comments.